as if I got you. You stole my heart away with the things that you do. And lately, you drive me crazy, baby. Maybe that's why I escape in your love. There's no place.
Welcome back, guys. So if you're tuning in today, you should know, well, I hope you know, that Shiloh's birthday was literally yesterday. We actually celebrated on Sunday because I wanted her to do something with her family and friends. And her family and friends could only do something on Sunday and not during the week. So basically what I did is, all Sunday I hyped her up about a dinner that was just for me and her. So she was like, oh, I don't want to do anything. Like, she didn't want any presents, she didn't want to do anything. Same thing for my birthday. We already agreed on that. A lot of stuff going on in our lives, yada, yada, yada. So she's like, oh my God, do I have to get ready? What do I have to wear? Is it nice? I'm like, yes, it's nice. So we pull up to the restaurant, it's in Malibu. Again, she just thinks it's us two. We walk to our table and then, surprise! My mom, her family, her brother, Joe, Catherine, the girls, like, it was just really cool. And I know that she appreciated it because it just feels good for anyone to be surrounded by people they love. I feel like it doesn't matter how old you are, a birthday like dinner with like your family is like the best thing.
Yeah, because
Hi, oh my God.
you bring the baby?
Where's your baby?
We did a whole like different
Big. Oh my God, you guys, I literally said in the nicest way.
What is that?
It's a picture frame and it, oh wait, is it open? Oh jeez. Anyone else have strawberry lemonade? Aww, you're thinking about your... I feel like he's been fed, like...
It's so funny when you have kids, kids like...
Oh my gosh, you got me a matching one? You're so sweet. This is so sweet. Aw, thank you. It's so nice. Oh my God, you literally know me so well. Oh my God. I'm literally crying. He said the envelope isn't closed because I'm sure you're not trying to touch my spit. Because I like hate the idea of like germs and shit. That's so funny that you said that. My brother.
What are you doing?
Stop, Joe.
So that was Sunday night. Monday, which was her actual birthday, which was yesterday, I woke up early in the morning just to get a nice arrangement of flowers, a big thing of flowers of red and pink roses. Scattered a few things, gave her a nice wake up. She got a bunch of little presents for other people and stuff sent to the house. And then we went out for like a couple hours. And that was pretty much all we did on her birthday. But now, today guys, the day after, something that she's not going to expect. You already read the title, so you know what this video is about. Let me first start off by saying, we are not keeping this puppy. Well, we might, if she decides to keep the puppy, which means that she got to pay for the puppy, but the puppy is not ours. I have a good friend of mine that has a kennel in LA. He has beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dogs. Frenchies, English bulldogs, little micro bullies. He has beautiful dogs. The kennel is called Bully Heights. So he is the one that's let me borrow this beautiful, beautiful baby girl Frenchie that has like the most amazing coat. She's super exotic. She's very expensive, but you guys gotta check out his kennel. You guys gotta check out his dogs. His Instagram is, Joe put it up here, it's bully_heights1. And then I'll even put the link below for you guys so you guys can just click and go straight to his website. But again, very trusted and has like one of the most beautiful, like corral of dogs in Los Angeles, like by far. So big shout out to him for trusting me with the dog. So right now I have the puppy with Joe and they're hiding and being very quiet. So on the way back, we wanted to stop at Petco to see if they had like any like little accessories or stuff we can put her in, because I know that would just take it to the next level for Shyla, especially if I can find like a pink, like something cute on her. If we get her in a little outfit, I think obviously it'll make everything like more cute and better for Shyla. Like it's just gonna up everything, right? You know what I'm talking about. See, the only thing is I don't know about her size, because I mean, this is a small puppy, okay? So I don't know, like for her size, what we can do. Like, I think the best thing would be like a little dress or something like this. But this is too big. Is it extra small?
Can I get 25 small?
Like this is a extra small, and like this is way too big for her. So I don't know, like it might be a fail, honestly. I don't see anything super small here. Man, guys, I think I found the perfect shirt for her, and of course it has to be pink because that's Shyla's favorite color. And we're gonna go with this one with a little bow on it, okay? And this is an extra small. So hopefully, girl, this will fit you pretty good. It might be a little big, but I promise you can take it off, okay? So the bow it is. So that was all we found, okay, was the shirt. So that brings us to here, guys. Okay, so now it's time to bring the puppy in here. We gotta get her dressed, we have to hide her, and then we have to do the big reveal for Shyla, okay? And I know she's probably gonna hate me for bringing a puppy that's that cute in here that she can't keep, unless she wants to buy it, okay? So it's up to her. So it's not mean for me, okay? Keep that in mind, LS game. I'm not the bad guy, because we can't keep the puppy. Shyla just has to pay for it out of her own pocket, so. All right, guys. So I brought her in here to hide her right now, because I have to put this shirt. How do you even get this out? I have to put this shirt on her just to make it that much more cuter. Are you ready? We decided her name was Snow. Are you ready, Snow? Yeah, you ready, girl. You about to get up in this. All right, okay? Head first. Get up in there. Oh, there you go. Get up in there. This actually might fit you well. I'm actually gonna take her collar off just for now, and I'll put it back on over the shirt, I promise. I know, I'm sorry. You okay? You okay? Boom. Second arm. Boom. Shirt on it. Whoa, it fits actually perfect. Get the back. Like, this is literally the perfect shirt. What? This is so cute. Collar back on. Make sure it's not too tight on you, because I don't want you to, I know you want to kiss me. Hold on. Boom. Your swag is immaculate. All right, guys, so now it's time to hide her. Come out here.
I'm putting away my new diaper bag. I'm trying to see if I can like hold on and stuff.
Just come out here, please. So we have a game to play. Why do you look like that?
Your games aren't fun anymore.
They are fun. I have games. So your birthday was yesterday. Sunday night we did stuff. We had a nice little dinner with your family. And then today is gonna be like the grand finale, because the game is going to end in a gift. Okay, so do you want to play this game, or you want to hate on it?
What kind of gift?
So I'm asking you again, do you want to play the game, or do you want to hate on it?
Okay, I'll play.
So do you know the hot and cold game? Like the hot and cold, like
Marco Polo.
Like, yeah, like you move over here, you're cold, medium, oh, you're getting hot.
No,
then,
Marco Polo.
Okay, that's what we are gonna play. So, you ready?
Do I need shoes?
No. Starting now. Your ice cold. You're like cold. Cold.
So should I not even go over here? Like, is it colder over here?
You're cold still.
Okay. Give me a hint.
You're like getting like freaking Alaska.
Okay, so now.
No.
Do I have to go in the rooms? Does that count?
I mean, yeah, but cold. Cold. Ice cold. Antarctica. Antarctica. Antarctica.
Say it again.
No.
Is it number?
No. Cold. I just said very cold.
Okay, so it's not up here. Okay then.
Standing right there, you're extremely hot though.
What?
But
How?
just don't worry about it. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Just go
Right
ahead.
here.
Just go ahead. Like lukewarm. Getting a little colder. Getting, you're still cold. Oh, no. You're still cold. Still cold. Warmer. Warmer. No, it's not that thing that's out like that. You're actually pretty damn hot right now. Like, you're hot right now. No. Not on that table.
Are you going outside? Oh my god, babe! Oh my god!
Are you really gonna cry?
Oh my god! Oh my god, are you a girl?
Yeah.
It's a girl!
Look at the shirt. You can tell by the.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! What the heck? Oh my god,
Where are you going?
I'm your mother now, look! Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god, babe. I'm literally gonna have a heart attack, my heart's beating so fast.
Well, she's.
I said no more dogs.
I know. That's why she's not here to stay. We're just here to play for the day. She's owned by another person. But I thought that you would love to play with.
Literally?
You don't want another dog right
But
now.
she's already here.
You don't want another dog right now. Like, come on, don't make me feel bad. I just really thought, look, she's sleepy. Aw, she's sleepy. I just really thought.
Oh, you're literally the worst person.
Why? I just really thought that you would really want to you
Go
know,
for the freaking day.
to
Like,
play with a puppy for the day. That's a perfect gift for a girl. Can't be too mad. Like,
I'm not.
just look at her. Like, come on. Like, really look at her. Oh, cuddled with you?
No, I have to give her back.
If you're really with it though, we can buy it. She's for sale. She is for
I
sale.
always wanted a girl.
You gotta pull her little shirt down. She can't be doing
Oh
like the
my
little crop
God.
top out on the streets. You know how the guys are.
Babe.
You wanted a girl, and it's really the choice. Really, it's not even bad on me because it's up to you. The choice is yours.
So is she mine or is she not mine?
She's for sale, so she could be yours. If not, I have to bring her back as soon as we're done, you know, playing.
Man.
Like,
But
I'm
she
gonna get
loves
Joe
me.
so that we can like get some, you know, so
She
we
knows
can.
I'm her mother already.
Look, I'm gonna get Joe so that we can like both play. Okay. See, now we have playtime.
I'd be your own boyfriend.
That's why I brought her.
So that's my gift? There's no real gift?
So let's see what's
It's a temporary gift?
Actually, we can't really put her down like
You're
that.
literally an Indian giver.
What is, it's not. You could buy her. You could buy
So I
her.
have to pay for my own gift? Who I didn't even want, but now I want because you brought her here to make me want her? So like,
Well, really, Joe wants her.
dude, you guys are
Can we keep her?
a different breed. Like, I mean, what if we put her on my yoga mat?
She looks like she's not ready to play.
Can we
it.
name her? Oh, she wants to lay with
If you want to name her, then you need to buy her.
What's her name right now?
For sale. Her name is for sale.
Her name is Chanel.
Chanel. Is it Chanel Shiloh's dog?
Chanel and Shyla and
Oh, our baby's name. She's literally resting her head like into you.
she doesn't want to go.
No,
Sure. Hi. That looked like she wanna go back to sleep. That's how I look when I wake up at 3 a.m. to go to the bathroom. I'm literally not making this up. Oh my, she just rested her head right here, like she's going back to sleep like this. Oh my.
That's crazy. She wants to go to sleep. Look, she wants to go to sleep.
Are you serious? Look at this. What does this mean? Hi, baby. She literally came back to me like I tried to have playtime. Look, she literally is trying to get as close to me as possible. Oh my god. You want to try to play? See if she'll go to you. Let's see who she likes more.
She's not gonna play.
Let's see who she likes more. Okay. I'm trying. Okay. Snow. Snow? What the heck?
Yeah, that's the name I named her.
No, her name's Chanel.
Snow.
Chanel.
Snow.
Chanel.
Hi, Snow.
Chanel, your mom's still here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, come here, Snow.
Oh, Chanel.
Snowy.
Well, looks like she knows where her loyalty lies.
Snowy, come
This
here.
is crazy.
Snow, come here. I said, going back home. Come here. She doesn't even want to buy you. So come here. I'm trying to convince her to keep you, and you're not coming
She
here.
doesn't even look this way. It's okay. I approve. Chanel, I'm not gonna be mad if you go say hi to your dad.
Come here, Snowy. Come here.
Oh! Chanel, come back, Chanel. Oh. I hate her.
All the kisses on my face.
Chanel, pee on him for the disrespect. Smells like money. Look at her.
So funny.
She got a crazy underbite.
She was so much smaller than Fiji was.
She like the ta-ta-ta, she like it go. She go like rat-ta-ta, she bust a move. You go to spot like that, you know you cool. You know you cool.
That's crazy.
She literally won't move. Like I try to put her down and she cries.
So, I got some bad news. You don't want to buy it, right?
I mean,
Like, do you want me to see
How much is she?
if he'll give us a good price?
I mean,
Because if not, it's
do
time
you
for
want a lot of dogs? Like you want a whole dog house
yeah,
and a baby?
yeah. Well, just listen. It's fine, okay.
But I kind
If
of
we
want
can't-
her when she's laying on me.
So it's fine if we can't keep her at this moment. But the bad news is that she has to go. So it's time for me to bring her back to her original owner.
No, I'm not ready. You said I'm gonna have playtime. I'm not ready to sleep.
We had hours of playtime.
She's napping.
We've had hours of playtime. Okay, I'll wait for the nap to be done. I'll give you 20 minutes, and then she has to go.
Can we take her to Starbucks first?
No,
I want to get her a puppuccino.
she won't like
I
puppuccinos.
like puppuccinos.
So you're gonna go with me to bring her back?
Yeah.
All right, fine. So King, I think I did a pretty good deed today, okay? I made her smile. I made her feel the love and warmth of a puppy. Even though the puppy has to go back to her original owner, she still had fun and playtime with the puppy, okay? So it's time for us to get out of here, guys. Thanks for always watching and tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the gang. We love you. See you soon. Peace.